Log in to 711Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and API. In the left sidebar, select Residential Proxies. Select API. Add the local address to the whitelist before API access. Click Add now. Confirm adding whitelist. Choose a plan type. Select country, region. Setting the number of proxies to generate. Selecting proxy protocols, formats, and separator. Click to generate. Open link. API obtained successfully. You can start using. Enter Yunlark. Click on Create. Select the account platform you need. Select proxy type. Paste the host and port extracted from 711Proxy. Check proxy. Detection successful. Click OK. Proxy configuration is complete and ready to use. Thanks for watching.